Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuri Hidayah binti Ahmad Tamizi, and today in this video I would like to present to you guys my case study BIO150 as the stomach study. Before we start, let me introduce to you guys what is enzyme. Proteins that carry out chemical reaction are known as enzymes. They act as catalysts within living organisms, regulating the rate at which a chemical reaction occurs. Enzymes perform a variety of functions in living organisms, but metabolic enzymes are found in all cells of the body. Enzymes are required in the cell for the breakdown of lipid, carbohydrate, protein, and other molecules. There are three types of enzymes, each of which affect the enzyme location and function. These three enzymes are metabolic enzyme, digestive enzyme, and food enzyme that can be found in raw nuts, vegetables, and fruits. Enzyme in particular act as a catalyst, which is a chemical agent used to speed up a reaction without being consumed. The enzymes that are related in this case study are digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes are important in breaking down the food that a person consumes. This protein hasten chemical reaction that convert nutrients into substance that can be absorbed by the digestive tract. Saliva contains digestive enzymes. They are also released by some organs including the pancreas, gallbladder, and liver. Digestive enzymes are produced and secreted by the gastrointestinal system to degrade fats, protein, and carbohydrate to complete digestion and later nutrient absorption. When indicated, their supplementation may provide reliable assistance as an adjuvant treatment for a variety of disorders characterized by impaired digestive function. Various enzyme supplementation formulations are currently available on the market, and they are used in clinical practice for the management of several digestive diseases, particularly those involving organs designated to the production of digestive enzymes, such as the exocrine pancreas, which produces pancreatic enzymes, and the small intestinal brush border, which produces lactase. Enzymes work by binding to reactant molecules and holding them in such a way that the chemical bond breaking and bond forming processes take place more readily. Reaction coordinate diagram showing the cause of a reaction with and without a catalyst. With the catalyst, the activation energy is lower than without it. Some enzymes help break large molecules into smaller pieces that are more easily absorbed by the body. Other enzymes help bind two molecules together to produce a new molecule. Enzymes are highly selective catalysts, meaning that each enzyme only speeds up a specific reaction. There are four steps in the process of an enzyme working. An enzyme and a substrate are in the same area. The substrate is the biological molecule that the enzyme will work on. The enzyme grades onto the substrate with a special are called the active site. The active site is a specially shaped area of the enzyme that fits around the substrate. The active site is the keyhole of the lock. A process called catalysis happens. Catalysis is when the substrate is changed. It could be broken down or combined with another molecule to make something new. When the enzyme lets go, it returns to normal, ready to do another reaction. The substrate is no longer the same. The substrate is now called the product or products. A digestive aid is those that contain pancreolipase, which is made up of amylase, lipase, and protease. These medications are usually coated to prevent stomach acid from digesting the medication before it reaches the intestines. The content of the digestive also a combination of one of many different digestive problems such as amylase, lipase, lactase, trypsin, protease, and cholecystokinin are among them. The supplemental digestive enzymes, on the other hand, are not the same as enzymes produced by the human body. The pancreas, stomach, and small intestine produce the majority of digestive enzymes. Supplements are simply designed to work in the same way that our natural digestive enzymes do, and they are only effective for people who have digestive issues. According to Petrangelo, he stated the supplemental digestive enzymes are intended to mimic natural enzymes and aid in the breakdown of carbohydrates, fat, and proteins. After the food is broken down, nutrients are absorbed into the body and distributed through the bloodstream through the small intestine wall. Digestive enzymes are critical for breaking food down into its nutritional component in our gastrointestinal GI tract, and if this process is disrupted, common GI symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, and stomach pain can ensue. It is for this reason that digestive enzyme supplements have been getting attention lately. There is speculation that they boost those processes and help relieve symptoms of indigestion. In addition, supplemental digestive enzymes are effective for the person who face digestive issues and encouraged to take this supplement to cure the pain suffered. As the temperature of a person with a high fever rises, the structure of the enzyme breaks down. They no longer function properly because enzymes can only function optimally at normal body temperatures. According to Roland, he stated enzymes work best at normal body temperature. The average body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but normal body temperature range between 36.1 and 37.2 degrees Celsius. The structure of enzyme breaks down when someone has a fever and their temperature rises too high. Higher temperature distort the shape of the active site, reducing or eliminating its activity. The enzyme has been denatured. By restoring body temperature to its optimal range will help in the restoration of enzyme health. Yes, age also affects the amount of enzyme produced. When a person gets older, the activity of enzyme decreases. All digestive secretion, including salivary amylase, pepsin, hydrochloric acid, bile, and pancreatic enzymes have been shown to decrease with age. This decrease in digestive enzyme secretion causes varying degree of digestive dysfunction. Aging increases the body's susceptibility to a variety of health ailments and conditions. Many bodily functions, including the digestive tract, slow down with age. It cannot work as quickly or as efficiently as it used to. The muscles in the digestive tract stiffen, weaken, and become less efficient because new cells are not forming as quickly as they once did. Tissues are most likely to be damaged. In this case study, we can see it mentioned the older woman around 50 years old who has faced a digestive crisis around her age. She went to buy medicine when she remembered how much her stomach would hurt, even though it did not happen all the time. Through this, we can conclude she is likely to suffer from the disease of digestive problem, which is often experienced by older people because lack of digestive enzymes. From the book written by Lime MD, he stated as people age, particularly in their 60s, their digestive enzyme, particularly one called hydrochloric, decrease. He explained that digestive enzymes are essential for breaking down food and that a decrease in the number of these enzymes make it more difficult for the body to properly digest what you eat. Many enzyme molecule synthesis may decrease with age. However, their turnover are reduced as well, allowing apparent enzyme unit number and those activities to be maintained marginally at young level even in old age. This is one of the solutions that can be developed to balance the enzyme when it ages. In conclusion, supplemental digestive enzymes are not the same as enzymes produced by the human body. Aside from that, the enzyme does not work at high temperatures because it has been denatured. All enzymes function optimally only when the body temperature is normal. Enzyme activity also deteriorates with age. Enzyme decrease when age increases. This is the reference for this case study. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my video.